So yesterday we did the first part of 3.3, we did 2 steps. So today I want to do multiple step equations where sometimes it might just be 2 steps, but sometimes we might have to do more to get where we know how to do it. So if we start with one like this, it looks different than, say, if we had this problem. So we have over here we had a variable and a constant term. Over here we've got 2 of the same variables, 2 terms, and equal to the constant. So the first thing we want to do is combine these 2 variables. So we have 7a and we have 9a. How many a's do we have? So it says to add them. That's what we do. Now we have a 1-step equation like we were doing earlier in the week. So we would, since we're multiplying by 16, divide by 16, a would equal 2. So the key on today is we're going to make them simpler problems so that we know how to go from there. So they get bigger, like this one. We have 4 times the quantity 8, y plus 8 minus 7 equals 15. So we have a parentheses with a number next to it, which means we need to do what property? What's that called? Distribute. So we need to do distributive property. So we need to take 4 times y, which is 4y, 4 times 8, which is 32. So we have 4y plus 32 minus 7 equals 15. Any terms on this left side that are the same? Any like terms? We can put these together because they don't have a variable. So we have 4y plus 25 equals 15. So now, how do we get rid of 25? So this is where we were yesterday. So now we're going to subtract 25. 4y equals opposite signs, add or subtract. Subtract, we get negative 10. So now we're going to divide by 4. Y equals negative 5 halves or negative 2 1/2. Oftentimes they will come out as fractions, and that's okay. All right. Don't think it has to be a whole number every time. It's not going to be a whole number every time. All right. Do one more that's a bit involved. All right, so we have 7 equals 4 plus 9y, all that divided by 7. So going back to yesterday, if we had one with the big division sign, what was our first step? We want to get rid of that division. So now we have 49, this goes away, equals 4 plus 9y. So now we're at the regular 2 steps from yesterday, so we've done that extra step. So here's our variable. So we want to keep it, so we want to get rid of 4 minus 4. 45 equals 9y. 9 times y, so divide. In this case, y equals 5. So basically today, you're going to have to do that 1 or 2 extra steps at the beginning so that we can do the 2-step problems that we've been working on. So what I want us to do, 110. Down to 23 to 45, the odds. 23 to 45 odd on 110.